Hello. In this video, we will consider the proof of Tsar consensus algorithm that solves the main problems of existing blockchain systems. When the network is first initialized, the first node of the network is assigned by the Tsar. In the next step, we see the addition of other network nodes, each of which is automatically assigned a rating as a unit. Further, some events occur in the network, and for each network node, a certain rating is formed. In the next step, this rating is normalized from 0 to 100 because the network node's rating increases throughout the entire node interaction in the network. After that, the rating of each node is randomly generated, followed by assigning a different rating. Next, this rating forms the top. The nodes that have the highest rating are assigned as generals in the next step. In the next step, the Tsar converts transactions, forms blocks from them, and passes the transaction queue and hash of the last block to the generals. The generals in turn recalculate the data, and if the data matches, the generals send it to other network nodes. After that, the Tsar offers nodes to play a game in which they throw random numbers from 0 to 5, based on which the node that will be the king in the next iteration is assigned an ID. In this case, it's ID 3. Counting from the top, 0, 1, 2, 3, determining by this way the node that will be the Tsar in the next iteration. As we can see, the Tsar is ID number 5. Then everything happens in the same way. An event occurs in the network. The nodes are assigned a rating that is normalized from 0 to 100. At the next step, a random number is generated that is added to the node's rating, and then the nodes are built according to their rating. In the next step, the nodes with the highest rating become generals. Next, transactions are converted into blocks. The Tsar connects to the generals and passes them the transaction queue and the hash of the last block. The generals recalculate the data, after which the Tsar, in the next iteration, also plays with the nodes in the game, on the basis of which the ID of the new Tsar is formed. By solving existing problems, the proof of Tsar consensus allows you to create a 100% secure environment for electronic circulation of any data.